It's 10:30 on Tuesday the 25th of April 2023. I have had a very quiet day and I'm very tired. I've started watching a show on Netflix, Into the Night, and it's under a category called binge-worthy, I think it is, and it very much is, but I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna go to sleep because I really want to mow my backyard tomorrow. So fingers crossed I can turn the lawnmower on, because it took me so fucking long on Saturday, which is why I only did what I could, and when I turned it off to empty it, I just put it away. So yeah, but it mostly is done. Anyway, this is very short. I have caught up with the rest of my stuff. I have plenty of things to comment on it. Mainly the phone thing that was bugging me was obviously the light. I very much don't always register or take things as they're being said to me in person, especially when I watch my therapy sessions back. I hear things sometimes differently. One of the videos I made where I said I went on the tangent was interesting, because I didn't actually come across like that when I watched myself back. Dude. Oh my god, boss, just like slobbered all over my fucking leg, yeah. So fucking gross. Anyway, yeah. Anyway, there were a few things that definitely made me laugh and crack up, but I'll do a more proper video tomorrow. But watching myself back and catching up, I was happy and I was proud, and I know why I'm doing this, you know. I have my moments, I do, but this is important to me. So yeah, that's me for today, everyone. Like I said, Tuesday 25th of April 2023. It's like 10:35 in the evening. Talk to you tomorrow. Good night.